fear. You don't know.
Yeah, we want to feel like,
Share
comment,
and subscribe if you're not subscribed.
tell a friend to tell a friend.
And tell another friend.
Big up all our fans them.
Big up with support of them. Wanna continue and support the thing. Alright? So enjoy the show, yeah. Out.
Me leave and me can't stay with you no more.
No, no, no. 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 Don't go, go. Girl, don't go, go. Stay with me, stay with me. Don't go, go. I promise I will change. I promise I will change. It's not my style. It's not my style. I promise I'm gonna change. Don't go on. Don't go on. Don't go on. Don't go on.
I'm tired of this.
I'm gonna give you reasons to stay. Don't go on. Don't go on. I'm gonna give you the reasons to stay. Don't go on. All the things that you say you didn't want was yours. I won't go out and in the late night chasing those girls with the curve. Yeah, I'm gonna do.
Someone in the answer your phone, man. Try again.
Yeah, we're gonna come around there. Now come around there.
God, Lord.
Let's change the position now. What's that? You still there, sir?
Hi, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Clyde.
Nice to meet you.
Put a smile on your face, man. It's a good day, you know. You're alive, man. When
Yeah,
just pass, you go some pass, you come back and still there to stand up.
Frustrated.
Why?
I come to supermarket, come buy a little something. But just me new to the area, right?
Oh.
I try to call one of my friends to come for the things and I don't know.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. If you not get this money, we just come. We can drop you where you want to go, but me have to go drop off something when I want to take and then take care of it. Simple. Me not charge you, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Each one help one. Right? That's our principle. Each one help one. Come through, man.
That's our principle, but I don't know where you are.
You don't need to know me, man. My name Clyde. This is my area. You can't lose. See it there. See me, everybody. Camera there, catch me and you start talk. Camera there on the place. No, look. Come. Camera there, do. Look, no for camera there. So, okay, but come on. Come in the front. Come on, go in the front like that. Yeah, man, put it on the back seat. Yes, man, know yourself, man. Everybody go.
Why my mother always tell me say, don't up and down with strangers. Right now me a fret.
No fret, man, you talk about fret. I'm sure it's at my place. Come here, I teach you certain things and all. Listen to me, I say to you. It's at my place.
Your place, yes, but you don't understand. Enough things are going on this hour, you know.
Jackie! What kind of CD you have there? You have a new one with the blind boy? Bombard star boy.
I hear some man too, them man. We have them on CD already, I say, man.
But you know, none of them pan for your CD them. Ah, you know, easy, you know. How much is that one then? $2. You can't find $2, you know, boy. Can't find $2. $1 then. Where you go talk?
You see it? You see that?
You see it, man.
Yeah, man. The one play 2 songs with the blind boy. Ma go on good.
I'm going good, man.
Make the girl them a gyrate. No man, I turn man. I care about far back now. I just show me those, I show you so we know in the area. So at least somebody see when me and you. You understand?
Yeah.
Alright, so show me and show you something.
I'm going to try calm down.
Calm down, man. Or you want me to do something that means that we're not stranger? Want we do something?
No.
Alright, so calm down then, man. Nah, no to you. If me like you, I like you, you know. If I ain't like you, I walk past and listen to conversation, you know. That me I tell you. I like you. More yourself.
Well, thank God they like me, because you look like me that out there so long.
Yeah, man, I know it. See that like a holiday, you know, looking at the town. The town. Nah, no, scanty. I like a holiday. It's a place I was busy, so it's a holiday to the life. So don't worry yourself. We coming up on the right time. We go see though.
Alright. Now relax.
Relax! In Jamaica. In Jamaica.
So what you say you're going to do?
I'm going to pass something at Whitehall and then we can go anywhere you want to go. Just tell me to go afterwards, alright?
Alright.
They have more things in your bag, you know, 2 bags or 3 bags of off you buy, you know. Yo, me tell you, 3 bags of off you buy.
Well, the time will come, no, sir?
Alright, you gotta come. Just let me in.
Alright.
3-4 bags off you have.
We say go. I saw some man stay now, no full of chat.
Yeah.
And when you don't get to man, them don't know how to feel.
Nothing no go so, nothing no go so. We're not full of no chat, nothing no go so. Anyway, I'll take the next turn in and go over there.
Alright.
I'm hungry to not eat no dinner yet. I'm gonna buy one food when I'm done. You want food too?
Yeah, come.
Alright. After my chop off, we go buy food.
Alright.
Ah. Yes, ma'am. No, I know if I there, me can check you. Yeah?
Yeah, and thanks again. I tell them I really appreciate it.
Alright, so.
Can you take my number?
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Alright? So I
Alright,
must
sir.
fine. I must fine.
Drink them.
No, I must fine. Alright.
This man not easy. Alright. Someone face man.
You know, because I'm who I am, you know. So, if you give me a chance, it's going to be a total different story. But it does too early out of the water, you know. We talk about that still. You know what I mean? So, I just want you to consider me. We just go and take it slow. We're not have to rush tonight. You understand what I mean? We're not have to rush and say, bam, we're going to start. So instant, like an instant coffee. We're not have to do that. We can take our time. Make it slow, go night slow. You understand? Yeah, man. So that and that. So anyway, somebody will some more drop offs to go give. And then I'll take you where you want to go.
Alright.
A minute there. You can drive?
No, sir.
Alright, so I left the key night then. You could not drive, I couldn't leave the key night.
So trust you, not trust me.
I don't know you yet. I don't know you yet, you know, babe.
I don't know you yet and I come with you.
You trust me?
Apparently, I trust you because I'm there with you.
Give me it now, my time. You trust me? Let me tell you one thing, man. Trust is that thing give and take, you know. I don't trust nobody really, but I trust myself, right? You look good though. Be yourself. I soon come. Burn it down. Yeah, no AC in the night. Tell you to buy it to put in a car, you know, but that's when I borrow people things. Can't worry about that.
So, we can, I don't know. So you say I can move now?
Yeah, man, drop it for you want to go. Come and get rid of that for a while.
So you can tell me a little bit more yourself about yourself.
Really and truly, you know. What you see is what you get. Tell already from me to down there. What's my name, by the way?
What's your name again? Clyde.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. I just me that. Clyde all day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So, I just me that. I just a normal youth. Take the time I go and survive. I don't eat and I don't cheat. I just keep it simple as that, you know what I mean? So, if me and you there, and me and you run straight through, good. You understand? Good. Yeah.
So let me ask you something.
But you know, say, everything say, in a life still, you have to be truthful to yourself, right?
Yeah.
And to start a good relationship, you have to start with truth. So, I tell you my name and that's the truth. So, everything you tell me is true. I don't want, when down the line now, me and you there, I come back and link you there. I'm going to there and next man I come knock at the door and if you have to say either on a bed bottom or something like that. Because I've been in that situation already and I don't like it. A woman tell me say she's single. She and boy left and boy left her restraining order. You know? And only if you know say they in the house and the boy start knock the door. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And me. Burn it down.
You're well known man.
Yeah man, they know me. I used to do movie back in the days. Yeah.
What me say me ask you though?
Yeah.
You have one woman?
No, you know. I'm free. Listen here. I have nobody. Right now, want somebody. I wish I would have there one place with no a massage your body. And you're my somebody. So you know say that not the near yet. Cause we just meet. So
Exactly. It's gonna take time.
what take a look at time. I mean it's a youth like that. I'm not rushing up. Alright. If you give me on the first time I see you, I not take it. Mustn't know. I'm gonna say me abstain. Unless I want time like now. Like the half of me no. Like you know because now we now want to go down. But apart from that I would have never take it. The half I make now?
No.
Alright. That's good woman. See it come back out in night town. So I was just now on the straight road your place there.
Yeah.
Just sign of the village, you know?
Okay. When I reach home money time, hot one go beard and freshen up, you know?
And everybody know. I mean, I want you to know yet, you know. I mean, the one come to you personally, come tell you that. The Jamaican people just know.
So anyways, like how you confess it and tell me, say, brother,
Hello, watching Jamaican movie.
so me want to know if
Yeah man, I boy, Papa.
John, when a business man coming and right now, only thing my business about, and the iPhone
Well, I
is
knew
from
about
back.
this.
One thing we can do for you now, when we get that phone, then we can do this year. Because your phone
Yes,
always
I
a dead, you know.
Better, you know.
but
You
now
put it on
girl,
speaker.
the bride, you really come look for me now and I give me that
Differently.
flowers there. This year, with the big hair when I'm
Somebody tell me say, you know. You plan to time.
So me plan to tire.
Some here.
How could I tell you that now?
Some here now is milk van, now is street.
To me plan to tie you. Tie you with what? Eh?
Never food. That's why I tell you something, don't want to make no soup with peas. No soup, please. The vegetable soup is nice though.
So let me ask you something. What reason would I have to tie you?
Well, last good man left on earth, you know. So I don't see why not.
You're confident though.
Some years so most of them man say my last good man. So you get me unfortunate. How am I laughing at your so? How they turn it down? I saw them laugh loud tonight.
Then you can get drunk, then I must laugh.
Just say, you know, you're good.
But anyways, not go so.
I know me have the face
What plans for tomorrow?
already and the body. Hey girl.
Yeah,
You tell me I have a problem with you, you know. I'm never say it to you yet. I don't like when you get up in the morning, when you get up 6 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock is still in the bed, you know. Miss do upset if I want to say it 1 or 2 times and I same thing. So me I say to you again, I do not like a woman that be down in bed all day. Not because I'm a provider, I don't want to be a divider. You divide my money. If you try to work and I bring in some of the money to me there, for a couple months now, but I like to know say everything good.
I saw you meet me. No, say you meet me. Me a late sleeper. Me can't do better.
You have to do better. If you want relationship continue, you have to do better. So most if I said principal I go with tomorrow morning. Alright? I have a lot of little hot girl
So you're really in front of my face and tell me about different woman?
No, me have people where let me tell you, them say it to me. It's my last good man left.
You see you? I'm not me fine with you and you don't hear me a lash out.
Which part?
Pan yourself. You
Which
know
part?
yourself. You will soon know.
I'm gonna find 5 times something about it.
Every day you're rubbing on my face. I saw you meet me now. Me's a late sleeper. Me love bingo. You understand? I saw you meet me. You didn't
You
know
love bingo,
from
I
you.
know, yes, but I know you know bingo yet. But me alone the bingo with
Believe.
Believe.
Anyways, me a grown up so.
Yeah, so yeah, I say again. Yeah, come give me a look. Can't be today, can't be tomorrow, because you know some I'm there. So yeah, can't check me out, check me out here, me might be here. One day. That's another way, can't
Obviously.
Yeah, I know what I'm saying.
Obviously, me not coming
Uncle
out.
Stills. Now I come west to me like you. Aye. One good. Yeah?
Oh, you did that talk to Fanny
Maybe I talk to Auntie Pam
No, but a
about
while ago.
something specific.
A while ago when the uncle person uncle, no one Auntie Pam.
No, actually.
No, somebody that I had to feed that.
Yeah, I'm not telling nobody that to feed you. Hear me, I say no. They chat to Auntie Pam about, you see me? At the same time, Uncle Jerry come in and I say, alright, tell Uncle say no. You see me? But I hear wrong. Auntie Pam, they talk to. So, wait, why the problem? What happened?
That's a man like Uno.
Man like me, what?
Man like Uno.
Man like me,
That's
what?
how no woman go no bone.
Give me bun.
Because no love give woman bone too much.
You say anything with the pan?
When you don't have good woman,
Listen.
you don't know how to keep them.
Listen, you say man give bun. You don't know about when man give bun.
Up in your foot, up in your foot.
For what? I'm
Up in your
personal
foot.
space.
Let me see who did that.
Me have to ask a question. Me tell you make me see on your phone.
Look in
Me
there.
no want to see you. We are me no want to
Look
see
in
you.
there. Me
Me not looking at you because you not see na mine. You not go see na mine. So me not looking at yours. Just keep yours that. Me there chat to Auntie Pam. I was talking to Auntie Pam.
Okay, you did that talk to Auntie.
Understand?
I understand.
You see, this is one of the reasons why.
What sweet nanny
Listen.
goat a go run them belly.
This is one of the reasons why me no do them living in the streets here and then long relationship. That's why I do guitar run because them something here, no woman not supposed to call me, no woman not supposed to come in and say me I do this and I do that. Me do guitar run, me not really do relationship things.
So where do you come up in a relationship
listen up,
with me from?
shut up. Actually, they ever tell about love at the first sight? I look up vagina catch me. And that's that. You see me? If anything too good, yeah, we just. You see me? But anyways, just we never really sign up for this, but you hold me so me have to just go and work with you. I go, me never expect anything have to go on. You know, nobody a question me, nobody a tell me to looking at no phone, I'm not looking at your phone. Not because you think good that you want to use it as hi girl, you know me I say just use up and come back.
Me not even know what to say. But it's alright. Exactly. Yes, mommy, me not. Yes. You go send me something.
Really not about
I'm not for my mother.
you sure your mother have phone?
Yes, I'm sure.
Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone.
Why you want my phone
So
for?
why you don't want me to see your phone?
Because they never want to show me for your phone other day.
Listen up, let me see your phone. Let me see
They
where
not
they're
show you
talking.
my phone, no.
You must want me to take you and mash up it.
Mash
You want me
up
to
what?
You want me to take you and mash up?
Mash up what?
No that.
You can pay for it?
You can more than pay for that. Give me see your phone now.
No, let me see for your phone.
Come, girl, listen to me. Wait upon the phone. Man. Call her right now and
Me not call my mother for what?
You see, you look guilty. You look guilty, you know? You don't want me to see your phone. No, you don't want me to see your phone.
And because they know say you are the wrong, you can come in here and blame me. And my mother me did not talk to.
So now my mother did talk to you last time. You know?
But so the uncle, then the auntie, no one mother, you say you lie? You don't even remember who you did not talk to on the phone. Give me my phone back.
Pull it.
Me not pull it.
Pull the
Me
phone
not
up.
pull my phone.
See your phone.
Me not make you see my phone.
You know, very ass up in this, you know. Look at me, you think I play? I will chop up. Hey, come here, so let me see your phone. It's either your life or your phone. Since there's a lovely phone and we have to take in your phone, can your phone come? Bring your phone, come.
Hey, sit there. See phone
Hey,
there.
I will chop off your foot, your hand, I will chop you up like mince. Hey, I will chop you up and carry you on the market. I said, come. Pull the phone. Let me see your phone.
Sit there.
Wait, are this your friend? Are this your friend? I'm going to walk up and and call my name more. I abuse it to the man. I made this woman. So let me put it on. Put it on. What if I'm not one bad scene here?
You need to go sleep.
I'm not one bad scene here for. What you know? You know bad this come down, you know? In my bed.
No, it's
Go in my bed.
me not.
Go in my bed, me say. Set up yourself.
Me no want to do
Listen,
nothing.
I know what you want. I want me, girl, set up yourself and me I pay bills up in this. You want to take me money for free. You better take body too.
I don't know why. I don't know why parents do that. Your mother, your father rich?
No,
Your father buy your mother one car?
then buy it together.
Yeah. So why she encourage you to get man with things and she never get no man with things? Okay, if she did get one man with things, you would have things. You understand the narrative of it? So now you don't have to think about make up and buy one car because you just...
I don't want nothing to eat. I look hungry to you. Listen to me now. You see, if you no want buy me car, one next man willing to buy me car.
What do you mean by that?
What you mean by what?
What do you mean by that?
What me just say a while ago? Me sure you plain up to one little 3-year-old can understand.
You know what? And I long talk with you. See there? Because you had me get up with a good mood. And last time I dream and I hear a good song, I hear Jesus love is bubbling. So I get up with a good vibes. And then I hear like some Rasta song. One love, one so them get up with a good meditation. And I get up and see a wash. You get up and kiss my neck. The thing say with that one nice rock steady today. But since you want to start with that way,
So So where you go?
Listen me now. You say a other man can buy your car. Me go drive out and clear my brain. You go and wash for your wash. Me no want humbug you for the next man buy your car. So make you two things on the road if I nothing. Me can not too close in the car already still. So if me not come back today, I come back tomorrow. I go more check something. More check something. Cause me no want, you see, look at argument can lead to something now. Me go box across your face and now your face swell up, me get locked up. Me and you know what, me know that. Just since you go turn out to an argument, you tell me about different man can buy your car. What you never make one man buy your one car before meet you. Me meet you right at the roadside with the grocery then. Right? I'm gonna left it to them carry all over the place. So you look like you is a gold digger. What do you talk?
You go on here, man. Hello? Well gone. I want to ask you one question. You da buy me one car? What's that? Come on, hang up. Vice me.
same time. I know I need a break. I to clear my mind. Yeah, yeah. Oh Lord. Yeah. Yeah. I need a break to clear my mind. Watch out, son. Switch around. One next thing they can switch it all over the place. How you do?
Ladies and
Why you look at me like that? Hello.
Bobby, I get from bad to worse now.
Wow.
You see me eat a day of poop, brother?
Sorry. Watch out. And intentional. Me not no control over that.
You know no freaking control of the red test
You
about
just-
me the
you
red
just-
test and it do it 3 times.
Watch out. You just fly out. Me I try to warn it back. But you just jump on.
You know get up and go back.
Listen up.
Because it seems like you want to do or
Listen. Me
something.
don't want shit. I don't want shit. Listen to it. I say, let poop be free. Now poop kill me.
Me no want to finish.
Take up your 5 bed then. Take up it. I mean, I have to take up it.
You take up it. You excuse me.
My girl. Look at you.
You're too
You think that
disgusting. You're too disgusting. If you want eat, how you would feel if me sit on this and poop
Me
and
ask
you
you a
want eat?
question. You quiet about it look easy on me easy. What I'm telling you get up much night. Eh? Piss in my cup and tell me say I chill. What I'm to that and it look up. My girl.
Always I put on a cup them make me feel say a chimney. Me have a chimney in my room, so me expect me chimney for the there, so you put the cup where me chimney for go, so me piss in there.
But you're supposed to know cup different from chimney. And if you ask me pop put me a eye. And the hottest thing about it, make up this. You're nasty, my girl.
Bob, bad to bad. I know a cup. Me dash that the cup there and buy a new cup. Anyway, me not time for you and your foolishness. Me sick and tired of you. Guess what? Me need a break from you.
But you know a cup different. You understand? I see him.
I know you see him cup.
Girl,
Bob,
you
me
know how
sick
to
and
do it.
tired of you.
Me sick and
This
tired of you.
relationship here, me need a
You
break
look
from
people,
you.
people are
Me
going to
need
your
a
pussy in my
break
house.
from you. Cause you cheat and you everything in a one. Listen to me, listen. Bother with this. I'm tired, I'm fed up. Me need a break. You understand? I need a break. You don't need to know when me a go. Just tell us, say, me dey on the road I walk, me need a break. Me no want to back up. No, me alright. Please, give me a break. I don't know where me a go, me just the walk. Me lost in this world right now. Me talk to you later. Or, me don't know, when me feel like. You understand? Bye.
Go for it, gone in now, Morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, you know, so me I look for lovely and yeah.
No, a person on him, sir.
Yeah, man. But I look for love then.
It's not hard to find a man there road.
So you, what about you? Can you look like you're full of love, you know? Like love full up in you.
Me?
Yeah, me see it in your eyes, man. You're like one person full of love.
Yeah, me full of love.
But who I love? The singer?
A little.
Well, me I tell you, me I go through one rough time. Me not lie to you, me not like tell lie. But me have a woman, but she way she stress me out right now, me just take a drive out. and I just don't know what part I just jump in a car, buy some gas, and I just drive. And I look for love lane to see if I can find love.
That sound like me because...
Come then I Ginal lane. She just Ginal me and she just get me on top of my nerves and thing. So right now I look for... I just need a break or a breakthrough just to look at happiness.
That sound like me because I just walk out of my yard and tell my boyfriend that I need a break. I just can't manage it. So which part are you going now?
Well, I just a drive. You can't come along, man. We drive and talk. Me drop it back when I'm done.
You sure say you're good somebody?
Well, there's nothing guaranteed, you know, because when we meet my woman, I think she was a heaven sent. So, no guarantee, so. When, not even know. You look good though. You know, then take your way.
Are you going to take me away?
As long as me take you away with your consent, that's good, because we're all adults. Your man a gunman?
No.
Alright, that's good. Don't want nobody come through me. But you take a bus at the stone, than a, you know? Than a gunshot.
So you decide where you're going?
No, we're just gonna drive. Maybe we don't have bother. We'll go have fish and bami. Maybe we go alligator pan. With the alligator there.
No, you want also with alligator.
Well, I never get the name, you know. What's your name?
Well, my name is Mark.
Me have to ride and whistle. And me a drive and want to have you in a good hand. So if you get into the road, because you hide them, them are captivated. So me have to keep me eye for the road too.
Alright, but now look for you, so look straight at it. But where you say your name?
Firewood.
So why they have to give you Firewood?
Well, it's a nickname me get, you know. The big woman them in the district always call me that.
Oh, so why you right here?
Oh, they call me Glenn.
Okay, Glenn.
Yeah.
That's serious name for Firewood.
Yeah. Push with a fire make the pot boil up. Back in the days, there's a lot of wood. That's what they use. Yeah, but now they have gas stove. But they're the original firewood. Can't wet up. And hot out.
Okay, I understand.
The more water, I more the fire made.
What a fire.
What a fire. Yeah, man. So you're from down this area?
Yeah, I'm from this area.
So what you do for your living?
I'm not really doing that.
You stay home, you're a stay home girl.
Yeah.
House rat.
Yeah.
So your man is the provider. But he have the name in the bank book? Huh? Mistake that man. That's a big mistake. You have your name must be in the bank book too. Yeah.
Well, as you said,
And she go for look for daughter. And she said she a go round the corner. And I said then I go drop you up man, because she take the speed. Over in a warm place, over in a town hill and gully and the road bad. So I go up in another place there. I hear the car start with a sound they like something knock up all night. So I go down and mechanic you know. And coming up, we just hear the sound and the man can't drive the car over here. But we don't want that bother you know. Or anyway. And the car can't move. I'm going to take you off a roadside safe. I want to bring you back safe. Them say something wrong with the belt, like the man straighten up, you know? So you good though?
Yeah,
Give me look at time, man. You hungry?
I'm hungry.
When you done, you go buy something.
Yeah.
Alright? Where you on phone with? Are you man a call the same way? You can't log you out?
I don't even know.
Make up your mind, man. See today, turn off the phone, man. You just say if phone battery dead. The same next time call say phone battery dead, phone battery dead. And then you just lock off it. We have fun today, no? We have fun today. I like
I'm
it.
sure.
You see smile they have a while ago and see this. More whole day today, alright?
Aye. Why the man are not easy? You can make me ring up the call fast and the man just call me. Next thing the man goes on me a man long time. Oh, sir. Ah, Jesus. Hello? Hello? Me tell us, I'm on the road, I'm walking. Me a walk. Me don't know where me a go. What kind of man vibes? No. No man never did that. Guess what? Eh?
Yeah, man, so this is Sweet River. I don't know the history about it, but I just figure someone nice to tell a while ago I just think about it. Because I used to see it. So, Sweet You and Sweet River. You know? But them place I want to live, you know? Like future with a river there and then natural vibration and go on, you know? You good though?
Yes.
I'm not good, you know. But I don't think I go swim today, but you can put your foot in the water and think then we'll go on it. Because we just want to go in the place and just look. Right?
Yeah.
And then never next somebody to go link and drop off a thing. So that will take a bit of time. Just trust me, man.
I'm just some of the week, all the way I see it every day.
That's good. And then?
I'll be a mosquito there this place.
Yeah. But you must follow fat. The fat and sexy. I see you put the chocolate for your breast, you pull your breast full of chocolate. Go chocolate in the water.
I'm going to tell you, sir, you don't have to call me. Me call her if you feel like it. But you don't understand me that. Listen. I'm on the road with one of my friends then. I enjoy myself. I clear my mind, so please, give me a break. Okay?
Good. have your cake and eat.
What do you mean by that?
No, because from the mayor drive up and down and we are really get to know each other. You see a kind of singer. But you still call your man babe. Start calling bro G. Bro. Start calling bro. You call him babe same way. You heard me a while ago. And if you get the date argument, the date statement.
But we just meet.
Yeah, but it's kind of singer. So me kind of want just impose myself into the relationship.
But you still have to your woman.
But me not gonna call her honey. Or if me call her, I must say Wagwan sister. Wagwan.
No, that not sound good. You would accept your sister?
No, I'm not my sister. But me gonna call her so that means me no want time sex again. So me enough of the woman them a call them man. When the man done with them man, then call them bro. Bro G. You never hear woman a call bro. So bro, you do yourself no bro. Brother, just call me yourself brother, let me see the man bro.
Alright.
You know nobody say that.
Alright, I'm sorry about that. But
You hurt me a while ago man. Hurt me a while ago.
But we just need to do that.
Yeah, but me feel like me know you before me met you. Like everything just work out and just stand out the way. Because me tell me heart good until me come to the road. Care gonna sleep and me tell gonna hurt. Care every look away. We just want to work out.
But it's a workout.
It's a
as
workout.
you can see.
Ah, well, me not rush you. That's not because we are going to go next slow. So me I will carry you go put them back to the yard. Let you and your boyfriend can sit down and ask you about one thing. I want to know say when you and him get back in boat, me and you have some form of connection. So me gonna be like where you gonna put your love. Like how you da put some money in Scotiabank or NCB, you put on look love. That means that anytime he hurt you, you can come at this your bank here. Go withdraw some of the love where you put on for rainy day. Yeah? So that we go do so. We not go call it cheating, we go call it banking love. Yeah, we are bank love. It's a bank relationship. You know what I mean? People feelings. So you know, if you hurt your feelings, you know you feel no way much about it because you know say at least you put on those feelings and then feelings are one place. You understand? Alright, baby, that will go do.
I'm sorry about that.
Know yourself, man. You know, when you know still say you go natural based to that and call you because you're not left fully yet. But if you come and I'm left fully, there you go the full fun. We have my woman and my yard same way. So I like to we can carry work tonight. No, that not gonna work tonight. But we know say it can be something that process when we go work together.
Alright. If we are sleep together tonight, we have to go find somebody.
No, but you have to come to your man, so you go sleep out.
We can tell him to make a funny road and
But in most of the ideas you come back tonight. What you go do? You go back tonight and then you tell him you go a country. Then me and you could have planned something and we go book a motel. You know, we have to go tonight to my woman because me and I just have a disagreement and everything, you know. Understand? So we are spending, we are trying to enjoy the best we can. And if you really want, we go there, we jump over the line for now. Because we go country to number one, we can. So if you come to this and want to have the sex, we can. Because we are big people. Nobody control us. Your woman, my woman don't control me, your man don't control you. That's true. Yeah, so we can go do something to them start the relationship that means that we know at least. Because when we get stressed a yard more you can think about it. And when you get stressed a yard the more you can think about me. And that means you don't bother with so much. So I'm going to invest a little bit of my love in you. In your bank, you put some of your love in my bank. So we have something there. So we need a break, we have our break. Alright? So you think you're slick, but she does act you trick, yeah. You're like a little toy to her. You look a toy to her. You used to be there. You used to it. What you say you're good on a marry, you go to know?
Every time me are going to marry you have a problem. You want to know when me are going to leave the girl. So what's your problem?
No, because me have to work too hard, man. You get up in the morning, you don't have to look about no breakfast, you know, to start them I can break my fast. So you jar for pingles. You see? And that's a walk your mouth. What about me? I don't eat pingles. One banana, dumpling and them sitting there. Isla loaf. You know what I mean? Some things in my fridge, cabbage, any look a thing. Steam up look a thing, man.
Man take long for come in, man.
I'm be a mosquito out there, no man. If me didn't know me wear a pants, man, but true. Sure.
Oh, theme there.
No see music.
So if you come up here.
Never know that you guys are coming at my gate, actually coming at my gate.
With that, let's do it the fast.
Listen.
Some for me, some.
Alright, yes, I understand. But remember, I told you guys to leave.
Yeah, but I literally bunk factory. I be a mosquito on this time. I come up and I know better.
I want anybody to see the police here.
No, just listen, just deal with it and make it go on. Yeah,
Alright, listen,
just deal with the way I deal and make it go on.
Alright, listen, I'm gonna send you the picture. Right?
Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna send you the picture. Come on.
Alright, send me a picture. Send me a picture.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I'm going to the bank.
How you say guy name?
His name is Fire.
Fire.
Yeah, man, Fire.
You know him, man.
Yeah, man. He lives down by Lime Tree here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So just get him and then after that I'll do the everything after that. Yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, I'll take it. Just get him. I'll deal with it after that.
Alright.
Are the wrong person I have enough. Yeah, my name Fire, but I know me.
Who are you name Fire?
You find you name Fire, you do it.
Yeah.
Yo, Rasta, yo,
One
stop
fire
that from
me know.
kicking in your face. Yo.
I know see him and him I one Fire me know. Fire and his girlfriend. Me and a girlfriend. You can't tell me nothing. Me know say you're
When
in
she talk,
girlfriend.
man, send up me here.
Yo, call go play with two.
You hear that?
Call go and play with Ludia. Mosquito shall kill you.
Yo, I said no to try to get away. Yo, I never tell you no what I do, yeah?
Watch him in.
Can't go nowhere, man. I'm running down at... You can't go nowhere. That's why I'm running down and chop them up. Chop them up, yeah?
What kind of water?
Must be river water. Come, yo, come.
I'm throwing in the river. You want to go in the river go drink water? I'm throwing in the river. You want to go in the river go drink water? Just let me know if I in the river you want to go. You drown today. I see him so me I throw you in. I not get no big. I know say you teach me, you know.
No, man.
How you reach up so?
So if you're too, man, you're born again. What?
Me born two of them, yes, but you feel one the way, don't know, so you reach so far.
So if you're too.
I know you teach you. Could they?
5.
Those who are. Tell us your 2 teeth, you know. I think I can't come from my house, about those. Keep me a skin.
Murder. 6. Take him up.
Take up what?
6.
You tell me say you want good somebody. And that's why I tell you to tap and pick up a girl. Me never know say somebody offer you for kidnap you. We're the two person. You tell me, you know. You tell me say you're a good man and that's why I come with you. Now look where you put me in.
You shouldn't get out of this, man. Know yourself.
Hurry up and get me into this. I'll be a mosquito.
You can swim? You can swim?
Yes, me can swim.
You know, like none of people can swim. Because you jump off in the water. We go try
With
swim.
the rope, are we?
Yeah, because swim like we are mermaid.
You
Just
must
believe in a jar. Just come so and with mermaid swim without hand. Like I don't think mermaid have a hand. And then swim. You laugh like you're idiot. You laugh. You not laugh.
How we gonna do that? The time.
Oi.
We are trying to sing for the mosquito them stop by.
How we gonna do that? We gonna join.
If you pull my
No
rope
singing, no
up.
singing, no singing, no singing, no knives.
You know what, girl?
You can see already. You don't know why.
What do you say? No, she said she knows.
Yeah, everybody know fire. Or you go cook without fire. But I plenty fire. I mix them. Hold back now, hold back hand like this. You know. You go try that distraction. And then you run off. Here? Walk on. Here. Do it. Have a nice. No, play with. Go on, piss.
Pick up yourself.
Never say, you could go to prison, you know.
Somebody come. Somebody come. I'm bridging come. Calm down. Wait the phone. We're not dead yet, man. No can't know about nothing. Things like. We're not together for clap the mosquito them. Bite them back. But no, don't do that. Try some bite them. Don't stick them and don't see enough. Yeah, somebody will come on now. See them. Remember say, you know, yellow, I said this and said that. When you see the girl as waving hand, you say pick her up because she's stranded. You see, if you never tell them pick her up, who know there in this? You say you want to be good Samaritan. I say, we are come back home, you know. Why sense I pick up people on the road for? And a taxi me around. Where them pick up a girl for? You love woman? Then what you say to me now? What you say to me? I mean, the problem? I got the problem. If you just jump back straight to your yard, you're good. I say pick up her. Somebody will come. You can't see somebody will come. Somebody will come. In the forest.
Don't move.
Yeah,
Me know, man, me know.
I have it.
Yeah, man.
Alright, now, most fine, you know. Very good. We did fast and yeah, man, good job.
Yeah, man, this way, I think.
Some dogs just run me down out there. Where them come from? Over there.
Over there,
I run out of breath. Alright, well, let's get down now to business. Hold on. So I have them, right? I want to find them, man.
No worry about that, man. No worry about that. Make me worry about that.
Hiding spot. Alright, so guess what? I'm going to get them to the police now, right?
Yeah. Hold on, money.
Money?
Yeah.
Let me see them first now. Yeah, man.
Yeah. See that, man? Fire and his girlfriend.
Ta-da.
We don't know someone here.
You don't know him.
What do you mean by?
Shut up now. Shut up, man. The man this side now.
One of them.
Me none of them.
Me know see them, you say fire and his girlfriend.
Jeez, auntie. Look at what you do to the innocent people. Innocent
Fire.
people. Look here.
No, you need fire.
Look here.
Not on my birth service ticket. I
said-
do not need fire my service ticket.
You going about and laugh. Hold on. I teach you I let you go. Hold on. Fire that lives around that lime tree lane. It's not that.
But you never tell us a fire will live a lime tree lane. You say fire, you just say fire.
Look at the business we are dealing with.
Hold on.
You have to go just take them
Hold
one
on.
of them.
I sent you guys the picture already, you know. On WhatsApp.
So only never look on the picture.
My phone screen crack up and blow, me can't see good, but show me no fire.
Oh my God, it's a trouble now. We can't go to prison for this.
So just take them.
Take them money.
And just
No,
give me
no,
money.
no.
This year, the lady.
No, man, and
Okay.
these people don't see my face. I'm so sorry about that, ma'am and sir, right?
Look how free and go on my yard.
Come
Woman
on,
now wait
Hold on,
for
hold
me.
on, hold on.
My
Listen,
man, we are
listen,
palm.
listen. I'm just passing through here, right? Me and these guys don't have any business doing. I'm just
Yeah, me not
passing
see
through.
you. Me not see you.
Alright.
And me no name
Oh,
fire.
wait,
Okay,
me,
you not
I
see
don't
him.
know
Hey,
you.
oi!
Don't let me go on my yard.
Don't let me go.
before let them.
Beat them.
I mean, and you man talk about.
If you ever pull me a teacher, let's see me as a Rasta boy.
See man got.
All you know talk say no go on, you know. One good thing depend on the side. The fact say no hurt none away and we don't know none of you. We just want to be on our merry way. This is things that we're going to tell our kids happen to us. Alright? That the man that run gone already, if I'm like you know, lose way and make we go on the way I go. Cause
Yo,
him
you
go
chat too
talk.
much, you know. Yo.
Alright.
Yo, Rasta, you chat too much, you know, my youth. Yo, you know, say your problems too. Are you for deal with this, you know?
My problem?
Yo, are you make the man go? Yo, just find out where you lose them. Just lose them.
No,
yourself.
but you can't do that.
Yo, lose them yourself.
Hurry up, mosquito.
Alright,
bite
here
me.
I know. Me I go lose the girl, and the girl lose her. Cause me not chance with no man. With me ever, is me. Alright, lose him.
This one is stupid. Woman.
Alright, come on, carry us up and go back. You go tell a man, say, this one,
Yes.
may I have to go live in couple and chat over it.
You're a wicked man. Fire, could I pick up your fire while I go now? We are funny down. Where you going to for?
Listen up, this is not a taxi. We're up on a day and we go, where we go? We go studio, we go river, we have more place to go. So we can't stop and pick up people on the roadside and taxi me around.
No, but they just to help out people. Your mother not. Your mother not tell us to help people most time. Eh?
I do help
It's
people.
good to help people.
But sometimes I try to help people and they help you down.
So a fat lady up there, so you know why you're just like him I walk before, see my funny down.
Yo, alright.
No, but pick up the
Wait.
lady now.
What's about that one? Where is it? Pick up this lady now?
Yes, pick up your lady.
Yo, you love her. Boy, I mean, I know you love pick up. Alright. How far you go? Come in and go too far, you know. Come in. Alright, how far you go? You see them pick up people watch a gun. I tell this to nobody, you know. What happened a while ago, I said to nobody. Now go man just act normal. Oh boy. Overall, it wasn't a bad day though.
Today, alright, but I know me can't believe that happened to me.
I want to try to something else. If you see it.
But we just meet.
Yeah, but we go through, even if we go through that to their lifetime, that me I tell you.
No, so you too.
I'll look if nobody I look first to make a come in the bush here. I'll find a nice spot on it. I'll find no coconut leaf or nothing we can throw down on the
Are
ground.
they
on
say
there.
you come?
No, we could have dead a while ago. I don't know how you stay. So you know if it take too long for them to tell anything you have to do it and be happy about it. We do it, we happy about it, anything come out there, come on. I'm going to look first. Don't move, don't come out.
I never know say a sign every time. Watch out. See if somebody is serious.
Can't walk, man, come on. on faster?
Me no want to do nothing.
But
me no
we'll
ready.
try. We're not really sure. But we'll try something. Go try something. We're not just look on the spot then. Nothing not go on. We'll look on the spot. Mind book. So push me here. Come man. That was bad. Well, I'm my first time. Greenfield Hotel is always my favorite spot to go because it's free. No buffet line not there nothing. You're good. You just go through Greenfield Hotel. You will see it.
All of us go through today and still did.
First and foremost, let us pray. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Most High, guide and protect I in the journey of life and fighting for the goals and the dreams that we trying to attain through countless times and fight and struggles and lot of internal, external fight. You know, Jamaica, as a Jamaican, to do anything to rise, come with a lot of challenges or job. Who know the 91 Psalms, please pray that for me, you know what I mean, as I continue this journey to try to make Jamaica movie a reality with no help from the system or corporate nation, because nobody will not know you exist until you exactly get a big break. You know what I mean? In every angle you put out something will come a challenge. You know what I mean? So who know Babsy Grange and all of the Grange them, and who know the people them who respond to Jamaica, make them know that the youths them need help. So me can't do it for everybody. When I grow around with so much people need help and them need strength. You know what I mean? There's a lot of talent here in Jamaica. Our Father. I'll pray like I pray and everything in a one. But what we work though. Yeah man, so that I'm saying this to say that today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. There's a storm a come, but after a storm there will be a calm. Yeah. So we hope that everybody's safe. You know what I mean? I hope the storm not really come and so still it does pass and does not create no damage worldwide. You know what I mean? Yeah man, glory be to the Most High at all times, burn it down to the ground. So it's a joy to be here, same way I put in the work as usual. Plenty of people see me in the street and I say, you know, I don't know movie. Because plenty of people don't know, say, this is JAMMIWOOD. You know what I mean? Yeah, so this is the station you're going to see me on. You know what I mean? So you must look and the thing that you're watching, the mark JAMMIWOOD. So this is my station. You have different people of different YouTube channel, right? So you can look on the name and see which channel you watch. So this is JAMMIWOOD from Bridging Control Richard Brown Films. Yeah, that's my mostly over there so differently because that's where it start from. You know what I mean? So big up Richard Brown Films, JAMMIWOOD, one team. But there's two different locations. So most of the time you go see me here, so 1 and 2 times it over there is the same speed, you know. You never can tell. This is what we do, man. We do movie, right? But set us straight, we're gonna see what I go on. Yeah. So I come with a lot of fight, a lot of challenges, and when we started, I mean Richard Brown started and 1 and 2 other people, you know what I mean? Some of them that are foreign, 1 and 2 that down here still, you know what I mean? So my vision of starting it was to ensure that we can't just be in a Jamaica and be a slave. You know what I mean? We just all this work. Because I've done my share of work. I've worked on the projects them that build up the community, like the G and them, working on them. And I see that as a contribution to Jamaica more than a work. Because when I was doing it, I couldn't buy a bicycle. So it's more of a contribution back to my community, building the gym than actually work. So that make a money and fight, you know what I mean? So I would do that. And I build counters of house same way, you know what I mean? And not overcharge nobody same way. So we do some pay and some part of dues, you know what I mean? So movie world now is where we are go and we really want to take it officially. You know what I mean? So now watch the thing that we are there now, we're just trying to survive for now and learn as we go. So we will get better in editing, we will get better in sound, we'll get better in light, we'll get better in time. So this is not a 1 day thing or a 1 week thing or a 1 year thing or something, a lifetime we are trying to put it for. So we want a real movie industry. You have other people who come and say them go develop movie industry, but most people have an ulterior motive. You know what I mean? Most people have an ulterior motive, and such is life. You know what I mean? So everybody I try to create something for themselves. So I don't really care about what people do really, but I would like them be honest and really help the thing for real. You know what I mean? Because one of the biggest things with Jamaica don't have really is an outlet. A place to put the movie when you do it differently from YouTube. YouTube have done a lot, yeah. You know what I mean? But you need something where more broader, in a one sense, where you don't have the community guideline, where you can say anything you want for yourself, to express yourself as a Jamaican, to get the real authentic Jamaican movie, like a bigger budget. When I do it, that will take like 6 months to do or so, and then to a year you get a solid movie like Shatters, Better More, one of them, you know them type of show them, I mean I have to mention out to all of them. How they come? I have to say 40. You know what I mean? Shatters, the whole of them, the dancehall queen, the whole of them show they grew up watching. We want some of them movie that too. Them movie that take money. So if we are talking, we not talk about money, it's like we're not saying nothing. When you do a budget like them there, it take money. So people around who know them learn. So one of the day them then go get professional like that who really have the passion to really want for the movie and can see farther than where they're in front of them, because that's a problem. No people not see further than where they can see in front of them. So before I started, when I just started the movie, I could barely get people to come act. You know what I mean? Because people never think it's possible. But as you go along and people see it and people enjoy it, more people join in. You know what I mean? And the journey not stop yet, so it's just a journey. So we're not to jog out on the time and now, but big up everybody who is believing now from day one. Big up Jules, original producer, and Media Vibes, and Antoinette, Stacy, overall settings, cool vibes. Yeah man, I think we have most of them though, so you know what I mean, big up them people that believe in it and we try. You know what I mean? So it's a journey still not done yet. We still continue the journey as we go along. So big up everybody from that time. Big up all of the sponsor them too, all of the donation people them, because we know I've done a lot. No people don't know, but the donation some of the time put on the pot on fire. Because some of the time if you really have people around you on a daily basis and you look on breakfast, lunch and dinner, you know what I mean? You're not gonna be a winner, you know what I mean? You're gonna be a loser. Because you will take. So if it's that, by the time the month done, you don't have no money. You understand what I mean? So who know, you know what I mean? So when bad mind chip in, one must really try to understand, say, we sacrifice a lot to be here. You know what I mean? So the bad mind will come in on a one feel say you make it when you're not really making it. Because the vision is nowhere near what you are trying to make, and who a bad mind not even understand say me I do it for them too. You know what I mean? So in the longer run the benefit is gonna be so great. You know what I mean? So everybody go benefit in the longer run. That's what good do. When you do good, it benefit everybody. When you do bad, it affect everybody. So this is the things we want people to understand. If you do good, you continue to plant, because I'm gonna plant be a mango tree across the island. One idea, one of your grand picnic, if you know it mango, one of your grand picnic go eat it, you know, and full in belly one at a time, you know. So at the same thing. So if I wanna destroy everything one at a time, I would do it for nobody. So me believing in myself as a builder.
The porridge.
Yeah, I know some feed something I know. So why not go look on the porridge pan the fire? Because right now I feel like preaching, but instead I start with some teaching. Yeah man, so big up everybody out in the world, watch a movie. No, don't watch it already. So I hope you enjoy it though. Right? And remember subscribe. If you not do it yet, do it now. And tell everybody, subscribe. link up some people want go 100,000 before Christmas. Because we think say we da catch 100,000 for last Christmas. And now we are going to a new Christmas. Do it. 100,000K. Let's go.